Hello student, welcome to ST Biology tutorial. This is the second part of motion and time. In the previous part, we have already discussed about what is motion and time, types of motion, and what is uniform motion and non-uniform motion. In this part, we are going to discuss more about this topic. Let's start our discussion about the measurement of time. A duration of moment in which things occur is known as time. With the help of clocks and watches, we generally measure time. ଆମେ ସାଧାରଣତଃ ସମୟକୁ କେମିତି ଜାଣିଥାଉ? With the help of clock and watch. ଆମେ ଘଣ୍ଟା ଦେଖିକି ସମୟ ଜାଣିଥାଉ. But in the ancient time, there was no clocks and watch. କିନ୍ତୁ ପୁରାତନ ସମୟରେ ସେଠାରେ କୌଣସି ଘଣ୍ଟା ନଥିଲା. ତାହେଲେ ପୁରାତନ ସମୟରେ ଲୋକମାନେ ସମୟକୁ କେମିତି ଜାଣୁଥିଲେ? The ancient people used some natural events which repeated regularly after fixed time interval. Ancient people କ'ଣ କରୁଥିଲେ ନା ସେମାନେ କିଛି natural event କୁ observe କରୁଥିଲେ ଯାହାକି regularly repeat ହଉଥିଲା after fixed time interval. ଯେମିତି କି ଆମେ example କହିପାରିବା କ'ଣ? They found that the sun rises every day in the morning. ସେମାନେ ଦେଖୁଥିଲେ କ'ଣ ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟୋଦୟ ସବୁଦିନ ହଉଛି. So the time between one sunrise and the next was known as a day. ତେଣୁ ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ କହୁଥିଲେ ନା ଗୋଟେ ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟୋଦୟରୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟୋଦୟ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସମୟକୁ ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ବୋଲି କହୁଥିଲେ. In a similar manner, time from one full moon to the next full moon was called a month. ଆଉ କ'ଣ ନା କେତେ ସମୟକୁ ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ମାସ ବୋଲି କହୁଥିଲେ ନା one full moon to the next full moon କୁ ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ମାସ ବୋଲି କହୁଥିଲେ. A year was fixed as the time taken by the earth to complete one revolution of sun. Earth sun ଚାରିପଟେ ଗୋଟେ complete revolution କୁ ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ କହୁଥିଲେ ଗୋଟେ year ବୋଲି କହୁଥିଲେ. Next କ'ଣ ହେଲା ନା ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ କଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ device କୁ discover କଲେ how to measure the time. ସମୟକୁ ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ device ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଯନ୍ତ୍ରପାତିର ଉଦ୍ଭାବନ କଲେ. କ'ଣ ସେଗୁଡ଼ା? sundials, water clocks and sand clocks. ଏଠି ତମେ figureରେ ବି ଦେଖିପାରୁଥିବ. A sundial measures time by the position of the shadow cast by the sun. this is a figure of ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ figure ହଉଛି କାହାର sundials ର. ଏଠି କ'ଣ ନା sun ର ଯୋଉ shadow cast କୁ ନେଇକି ଏଠି time କୁ measure କରାଯାଉଛି. Next is sand clock. Sand clock ରେ କ'ଣ ହଉଛି? The device which use the flow of sand from one glass ball to another in order to measure time is known as sand clock. This is the image of sand clock. A device which use the rate at which water drip from one vessel to another measure time interval is known as water clock. This is the image of water clock. ଏଠି କ'ଣ କରାଯାଉଛି ନା ଗୋଟେ vessels ରୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ vessels କୁ ଯୋଉ water droplets ଗୁଡ଼ା ପଡୁଛି ତାକୁ measure କରିକି ସେମାନେ time କୁ ଜାଣୁଥିଲେ. Simple pendulum. A simple pendulum consists of a small metal ball called bob. You can see this in this figure. This is the bob, which is suspended by a long thread. This is the long thread from rigid support such that bob is free to swing back and forth. It is suspended from a rigid support. ୟାକୁ ଗୋଟେ rigid support ଦ୍ୱାରା ଝୁଲାଇକି ରଖାଯାଇଛି ଯାହା ଫଳରେ କି ଇଏ ଆଗକୁ ଆଉ ପଛକୁ to and fro ତାର movement ହେଇପାରିବ. The to and fro motion of simple pendulum is an example of periodic or oscillatory motion. The to and fro motion movement of the simple pendulum is called oscillatory motion. Look, this is the figure of simple pendulum. ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ବୁଝିବା what is oscillatory motion. ଯଦି ଆମେ simple pendulum କୁ छाड़ी दबा ताले से जो पॉइंट रहिबो सपोज द पॉइंट इज ए दिस इज कॉल्ड मीन पोजीशन और सेंटर पोजीशन ताले ए पॉइंट रु व्हाट इज ऑसिलेटरी मोशन ए पॉइंट रु जदि पेंडुलम रो मोशन सी पॉइंट को हबो पुणी सी पॉइंट रु बैक करिवो बी पॉइंट को then again from B point to A point total motion ପାଇଁ ଯେତିକି time ଲାଗିବ ତାକୁ ଆମେ କହିବା time period ବୋଲି ଆଉ A to C then C to B and again B to A the complete motion को ଆମେ କହିବା oscillatory motion or ଆମେ କହି ପାରିବା from point C to point B point C to point B and from point B to point C the total motion is called the oscillatory motion. Galileo was the first person to study the motion of pendulum. प्रथमे गालिलियो ए विषय रे स्टडी करिथिले और से बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंट करिथिले तापरे कोन हैला ना विंडिंग क्लॉक्स एंड रिस्ट वॉच रो डिस्कवर हेई पारि थिला. Unit of time. We know that second is the standard unit of time and it is represented by the symbol S. The larger unit of time are minute. Time ro larger unit hoji minute and hour. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. The bigger unit of time are day, month and year. So 1 day equal to 24 hours and 1 month equal to 30 days and 1 year equal to 12 months. You know it very well. Nowadays most clocks and watches have an electric circuit with one or more cells. These clocks are called quartz clocks. The time measured by quartz clocks is much more accurate than that by the clock available earlier. एबे जो आमे clock use करूछु तार time is more accurate than the ancient age. Measuring speed. We have learned how to measure the distance in the form of kilometer, meter and centimeter and time in the form of second, hour and minute. Now we will calculate the speed. We can calculate the speed by the help of an instrument called speedometer and odometer. आमे speedometer और odometer साहाଯ୍ୟରେ केमती speed को मापिबा से इटा एबे आमे देखिबा. The speedometer is an instrument on a vehicle dashboard which indicates the speed of the vehicle. Speedometer कौन तमे जे कोनोसी vehicle हो गोटे कार किबा बस किबा बाइक रे देखिबो फ्रंट रे जो डैशबोर्ड रे गोटे स्पीडोमीटर एई भलिया गोटे स्पीडोमीटर लागि थाए. स्पीडोमीटर साहाଯ୍ୟରେ ଆମେ कोन जानि परिबा ना vehicle रो स्पीड गोटे vehicle केते स्पीड रे तार मूवमेंट होउची ताकू आमे जानि परिबा. Next is odometer. Odometer कौन an instrument which is used for measuring the distance traveled by the vehicle. गोटे vehicle केते distance travel कला in the form of kilometer केते distance travel कला सेटा आमे जानि परिबा कहा थ्रो रे ना odometer थ्रो रे आमे जानि परिबा. ताले देखो this is the figure of your speedometer and odometer. You can see the deflection of this one. आमे एई जो कंटा साहाଯ୍ୟରେ तार डिफ्लेक्शन रो आमे जानि परिबा गोटे vehicle केते स्पीड रे तार मूवमेंट मोशन होउची आ कोन एटा होउची तमरो ओडोमीटर. ए ओडोमीटर हमको शो करिवो गोटे vehicle केते किलोमीटर रास्ता ट्रैवल कला बोली. Graphical representation of motion. By drawing the distance time graph, the motion of an object can be represented in the diagram form. A distance time graph represents how the distance traveled by a moving object change with time. ताले आमे कोन करिबा distance time graph को आमे draw करिबा. केमती draw करिबा according to this table. ए table अनुसारे आमे distance time graph draw करिबा. Before draw the diagram we need a graph paper. आमे प्रथमे गोटे graph paper नबा. graph paper नै कि आमे कोन करिबा सेतिरे गोटे horizontal line draw करिबा आ गोटे vertical line draw करिबा. ହେଲା जो horizontal line draw करिवा ताको हमें ना दबा x axis, this point is x and this point is x dash, and the vertical line draw करिवा and this point is y, this point is y dash. In this figure you can see this is our horizontal line, this is x point, and this is our vertical line, this is our vertical line, and the point is y point. The cross section of the x axis and y axis, this point is marked as O. This is our origin. Here this point is, in this figure, this is our origin. Okay, after that we have draw the graph. એટલે ଆମେ graph draw କରିବା କେମିତି draw କରିବା, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମର time ଯେତେବେଳେ 0 minute ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମର distance ହଉଛି 0 minute. ଆଚ୍ଛା, in this graph we take 1 centimeter, ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ centimeter କୁ नबा केते 2 minute. So in x axis ଆମେ x axis रे 1 centimeter କୁ नबा 2 minute and y axis रे ଆମେ कोन करिवा y axis रे आमे कोन करिवा, आमे नबा आमे x axis रे नबा टाइम को, टाइम इन मिनिट, तले 1 सेंटीमीटर को आमे नबा 2 मिनिट एंड इन वर्टिकल y axis रे आमे कोन करिवा, y axis रे आमे 1 सेंटीमीटर को नबा 2 किलोमीटर, 1 सेंटीमीटर को आमे नबा 2 किलोमीटर हला y axis रे, तले आमे एको मार्क कर दबा x axis रे 2 4 6 8 and 10 in the x axis, and y axis रे सेमती this is 2 4 6 8 and 10. Now we draw the graph according to the table. तले देखो जेतेबेले हमरो टाइम होची 0 मिनिट, टाइम को हमें नीचे x axis रे, टाइम हमरो जेतेबेले 0 मिनिट सेतेबेले हमरो डिस्टेंस होची केते 0 मिनिट, ताले एटा ए पॉइंट टा कोठी हबो, देखो ए ओरिजिन रे हबो, ओरिजिन रे एठी कोन, ओरिजिन रे पॉइंट टा हबो हमरो 0 0 हला, when time is 0 minute then the distance travel is 0 kilometer, this point. Acha, next is when time is 2 minute our distance is also 2 kilometer, तले टाइम जेतले 2 मिनिट हला एठी, तले या सीधा रे देखो डिस्टेंस भी होची एठी 2 किलोमीटर, तले हमर पॉइंट होची एठी, ए पॉइंट को हमें मार्क देले A. Next, when our time is 4 minute our distance is 4 kilometer, तले एठी देखो x axis रे एठी 4, y axis रे एठी 4, तले स्केल सहायता रे हमें ड्रॉ करले पॉइंट टा पाइबा एठी, ए पॉइंट को हमें ना दबा कोन D बोली. Next, when time is our 6 minute distance travel is 6 kilometer, तले x axis रे देखो एठी 6, y axis रे एठी 6, तले हमरो पॉइंट हबो एठी स्केल सहायता रे ड्रॉ करिवो, तले पॉइंट ना देला हमें C. Next, when our time is 8 minute distance travel is 8 kilometer, तले ग्राफ रे समते हमें ड्रॉ करिवा, here is our 8 x axis and y axis, here is our 8, so the point will be here and the point is named as D हला. तापरे हमें देखिवा एठी टाइम होची 10 minute and distance travel is 10 kilometer, तले x axis रे हमें 10, y axis रे 10, एठी पॉइंट को जॉइन कर दबा, तले पॉइंट ना देले E. तापरे हमें जेतिकी गुडा पॉइंट पाइले हला, सबु पॉइंट को हमें कोन करिवा कि स्केल सहायता रे हमें याकू जॉइन करि दबा, फ्रॉम O to E हमें पॉइंट गुडा को हमें कोन करिवा स्केल रे, तो हमें भलो से स्केल रे जॉइन करिया हला. तो स्केल रे आमे जॉइन कला परे आमे कोन पाइबा आमे गोटे स्ट्रेट लाइन पाइबा हला तमे देखि पारतुबो ओ रु ई एटा गोटे कोन हिची हमरो स्ट्रेट लाइन हिची तले आमे एठू एक ग्राफ जो ड्रॉ करले डिस्टेंस एंड टाइम ग्राफ एठी आमे कोन जानिले आमे जानिले कोन the distance time graph for the motion of an object moving with a constant speed is a straight line तले एटा कोन हला हमरो हमरो गोटे एटा straight line hela. Okay, this is the end of this topic. In the next part, we will discuss some short question about this topic. If you love this video, please like, share and subscribe this. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest update. Thank you.